Recording.
Alright, let's hit the Foothills Parkway. That's next. I had the camera on the charger for a minute, so maybe I can record some stuff before the camera dies. It looks like they could be mowing today, maybe not. While I was having a Red Bull at the little marathon at the bottom of the foothills, there were a bunch of motorcycles jumped on this road. There's a decent sized group of sport bikes. I wasn't expecting to see any sport bikes out today. It's a Wednesday. But the weather is now absolutely perfect. It's 11:30 and it's 75 degrees. My tires are still not great. The bike does not go from side to side fluidly the way I like it to. Some of you might know what I'm talking about. Anybody that spent some time in the mountains, the center of my tire is like it's brand new. And the edges where you're pushing it through the turn, it's just worn down. I'm beyond the wear indicators on the front right now. But it's like you roll off that point. You roll off the point of the tire onto the edges and the bike just kind of like falls over. It doesn't build a lot of confidence. My back tire feels amazing though. My back tire even looks good. I need to slow down, check the radar detector. It's working. Okay. Yep, radar detector's good. We got to see the two park rangers in the Smoky Mountains this morning. 441. I'm good if I don't see any more today. I don't know why there's gray clouds above us. It's supposed to be an absolutely beautiful sunshiny day today. It's supposed to be a perfect day today. There have been so many tourists up here though. Already I'm seeing this road. For a Wednesday, this road's usually not busy at all. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, it's like being all alone up here. But where are they from? Indiana. This is like so many people from Indiana today. And why don't people from Indiana know how to drive? I mean, if you want to sightsee, pull off. Watch my video of the Great Smoky Mountain National Park and just look at all the traffic that I dealt with. It's just, most of the video was me stuck in traffic. But look how beautiful this is. That great cloud's above us though. But look at that. Sky. Man. Just go to speed limit. Get to a pull-off. Then you can just... Right here, there's nobody in this parking area. You can walk across the street and get all of that as you want. It's a freaking absolutely beautiful day today. If I were out riding a Harley right now on a day like today, I'd take it right to the Suzuki dealership and trade it in and get a real bike. See, now the great cloud's over us. I want the gray cloud to go away. I want blue skies, nothing but blue skies. Two friends on motorcycles. It's nice to see. Sometimes it's nice to ride with somebody. If you're from here, it's difficult to find friends to ride. I should say in Murphy. In Murphy, it's hard to find friends who ride. There's not a lot of folks on sport bikes. There's not a lot of like-minded folks on sport bikes. That is a long line right into that wall. Somebody was going too fast in a straight line and then used their rear brake right to that wall. Heads up if you haven't heard, 75% of your braking comes from the front brakes. Use the rear brakes for trail braking. Use the rear brake when you're going into a turn. Just tag that rear brake just a little bit to set the back end down. Maybe if you're in too hot in a turn, just barely feather that rear brake to scrub off some speed. Once you're in the turn, try not to hit the brakes. If you think you're going too fast for the curve, whatever direction